Inside Kevin Hart's exotic car collection. Kevin Hart's rise to fame is something that cannot be ignored. He began his career as a stand-up comedian working on the East Coast club circuit, and after winning slew of amateur competitions made transition into film acting with small roles in early 2000s comedy films like Scary Movie 3 or Soul Plane. Known for being one of hardest working actors in Hollywood, he segued away from these low-profile movies towards blockbuster hits such leading man status within both industries, which has led him down Robert Downey Jr.'s path, someone who also started out performing at clubs before becoming famous because they were such an Indiana guy. Number 12. Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Black Edition. What would you say if we told you about the new Mercedes-Benz SLS Black Edition? Well, get ready because it's one of our most luxurious and fastest models yet. Not only does this vehicle have an upgraded engine with over 622 horsepower, making driving feel like nothing, but there are also 4 different interior color options for your choice: black enamel on aluminum, graphite gray gradients within classic blue steel grays, which matches SL Roadster, or 2 shades red combined into scarlet red hue that is sure catch attention wherever drive go. Number 11. Ferrari 488 Spider. No collection is complete without a couple of Ferraris thrown into the mix, and Kevin Hart has certainly chosen his fair share. The 488 Spider won all kinds of industry awards after its debut in 2015 thanks to futuristic styling as well impeccable handling, which can be attributed largely due to this car's heart and soul, a twin turbocharged V8 mounted behind cockpit that produces 661 horsepower while weighing only around 500 pounds. Number 10. Pontiac Gto. Kevin Hart's Pontiac Gto is the perfect car for lot top-down cruising, with its beefy 6.6L V8 and 360 horsepower. The first-generation muscle car seems to dwarf him thanks long hood, which houses an automatic 3-speed rather than Hurst shiftable transmission, though Kevin might have gone ahead anyway since this means he can still drive around town in style without having too many people recognize you as just another actor trying not get hit by taxis while walking down crowded sidewalks cramming themselves into tight spaces. Number 9. Ferrari 458 Spider. The Ferrari 458 is a mid-engined, rear-wheel drive sports car with an all-time favorite for those who love to take in the view from behind their head. The Spider version came out during 2011 and offers drivers an even more enjoyable experience thanks its burbling soundtrack coming only from naturally aspirated 4.5 liters V8 mounted right under yours as you sit back on this luxe leather seat. With 500-plus horsepower at your disposal, combined with 9k RPM limit, it's a lot less difficult than ever before when going up against other high-end vehicles. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz G65 Amg. The Mercedes-Benz G65 Amg is a luxury SUV that's been customized by the company to befit its reputation for off-roading prowess. This means it has all of those luxurious features one would expect, but also packs some serious power under hood, over 500 HP. It can get down dirt roads with ease thanks, in part because there are special tires fitted just like Kevin Hart's own wheels, which give him an edge when entering competitions or making entrances at events such as NBA games, where he works as one half and often substituting player coach alongside his comedy act co-founders whom were teammates prior. Number 7. Gmc Yukon Xl Denali. Hart's family is just as important to him than any of the other things in life he holds dear. They're even on his mind while buying additions for his collection. The Gmc Yukon Denali can serve as both an everyday minivan or when you need more space with its wide-range interior upgrades including active noise cancellation and magnetic ride damping. Hart's friend and coster Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson can ride shotgun in Hartlux XL Denali. The big SUV offers 4-wheel drive, seating for up to 8 passengers as well, plenty of cargo space, plus enough room so you don't need your cat or dog along on the adventure. Number 6. Ford Mustang GT500e. Mustang fans have been waiting for years to see their horsepower dreams come true, and now they're finally here. The limited edition Ford GT500e Super Snake will make any fan's mouth water with envy as it brings back memories of the late 60s when Carroll Shelby made his mark on motorsport with improved cars that were more than capable of beating Porsche 917s at their own game, all without losing anything else about how great these Mustangs can be. Number 5. Aston Martin Vanquish. Hart looks dashing in his Aston Martin Vanquish. The next James Bond car will be judged on its predecessor, which he replaced for filming Die Another Day back in 2002, when it appeared as M's garage automobile at the beginning of that film before being destroyed by Q*bert later during character development sequences, where audiences learn about secret agents having sex while wearing Garrett 911 Turbo S masks. Number 4. Land Rover Range Rover. Kevin Hart picked up his wife, Iniko, and newborn son from the hospital tonight, just one night after their baby was born. The family's Range Rover should allow for plenty of comfort on what will likely be an emotional ride home as they take time to adjust post-pregnancy life with these new circumstances, while also enjoying luxury features that Land Rover has gradually been focusing more towards in recent years due, mainly because customers have requested it. Number 3. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer hasn't always held a spot as one of America's most popular SUVs, but it is still going strong. With every redesign that comes out for the vehicle and law enforcement officers driving them around town or countryside alike, you can bet there will be plenty more attention paid than before when this classic car was first introduced back in 1990. With Ford's new design language, Ford Gto wants to grab some headlines with futuristic rims that match the car company's forward-facing aesthetic. Number 2. Maserati Gran Turismo Convertible. The Gran Turismo is a throwback to when Maserati was at its prime, with all the luxury and power you could ask for. It may be outdated in comparison modern cars like Chrysler's other models, but there are still plenty of reasons this vehicle lives on, from its smooth, yet aggressive exterior design down right through those luxurious interior trimmings which aren't shared by any other model save one, Chrysler. And don't forget about THAT32 valve V8 underhood cranking out 454 horsepower alongside 384 pounds. Number 1. Ferrari 488 Spider. Kevin Hart's love for Ferraris is clearly evident in more than one vehicle. He has a blacked-out 4x488 with rims that are just stunning, as well an equally impressive red version equipped with all silver accents and hubcaps. It looks like he really went ahead and wrapped this one. Inspection reveals slight differences between these two cars. From tone of brake calipers to intake venting design, it becomes clear Kevin owns not one but two authentic Ferrari cars. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.